Construct 3 is a no-code game engine that promises to make game development accessible to everyone. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth your time and investment. Construct 3 is designed for creating 2D games without needing to write a single line of code. It offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, which is a huge plus for beginners. You can create games for various platforms, including HTML5, mobile, and desktop. The user experience is straightforward, allowing users to focus on creativity rather than coding syntax. One standout feature is the built-in physics engine, which adds a realistic touch to game mechanics. However, it might feel limiting for more advanced users who want to dive deeper into custom coding. The community support is decent, with plenty of tutorials and forums available, but there are still gaps in documentation that might leave some users scratching their heads. Overall, Construct 3 is aimed at hobbyists and educators, making it a good choice for those just starting in game development, but seasoned developers might find it lacking in flexibility. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Construct 3 is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. The visual scripting system allows for rapid prototyping, and the ability to export to multiple platforms is a huge advantage. However, there are notable drawbacks. The pricing model can be a bit steep for hobbyists, especially with ongoing subscription fees. Additionally, the lack of advanced customization options might frustrate more experienced developers looking for deeper control over their projects. Trust issues can also arise since some users have reported inconsistencies in customer support. If you're looking for a robust game engine with extensive features, you might want to explore alternatives like Unity or Godot. In conclusion, Construct 3 is a solid choice for beginners and educators wanting to create 2D games without coding. However, if you're an experienced developer seeking advanced features and customization, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth trying out if you fit the target audience, but be mindful of the subscription costs.